How can I afford cars and houses like this? I've been making over $100,000 a month in my sleep for years. I've been able to run my business from a cell phone and laptop from some of the most exotic places on the planet, and I was able to fire my boss a gazillion years ago. I'm Daven Michaels, New York Times best-selling author, 30-year business veteran, and my partner Chad Nicely and I have been building online businesses from our laptops for decades.
And we've successfully coached and mentored thousands of people that are now making 10 to even 50K a month online from home. I promise to show you exactly how to do this as well. If you want to learn how to start and scale an online business from home, my partner Chad and I are holding a live workshop starting on September 28th.
Money, 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 money!
We aren't holding back any information. Chad and I have a combined over 50 years of online experience, and for the first time ever, we're unveiling our business model so you can copy it and do it for yourself. No gimmicks. This is the same training that Christine Lee watched, and now she owns a college.
If you're on mobile, click on the link above. If you're on desktop, click on the link below.
When you go over to the next page, you'll see a page that looks like this. Just drop your information to register for the workshop. We have tons of client success stories, and we'd love for you to be the next one. So if you're on mobile, click in the upper right corner. If you're on desktop, click in the lower left corner of the video to register for the no-cost workshop starting on September 28th, and I'll see you on the other side.